Explore the unknown with ease and precision. Underwater drones have revolutionized the way we discover and document marine life. From coral reefs to shipwrecks, these incredible machines allow us to capture stunning footage and collect valuable data. But with so many options on the market, which ones stand out from the rest? Here are the top 7 best underwater drones. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Chasing Innovation Dory. Get ready to dive into a world of creativity and innovation with Chasing Innovation Dory, the ultimate note-taking and idea generation tool. Inspired by the curious and playful nature of the beloved fish, Dory, this innovative product helps you capture your thoughts, ideas, and inspirations in a unique and engaging way. With Chasing Innovation Dory, you can transform your notes into vibrant, colorful, and interactive experiences. Its user-friendly design allows you to jot down ideas, sketch out concepts, and organize your thoughts in a way that's both visually appealing and easy to understand. The Dory Companion app connects your physical notes to a digital platform, enabling you to access and share your work from anywhere. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, artist, or simply someone looking to spark their creativity, Chasing Innovation Dory is the perfect tool to help you bring your ideas to life. With its playful approach to note-taking and idea generation, you'll be hooked on chasing innovation in no time. Number 6. Kaisaya Fifish 5.6. The Kaisaya Fifish 5.6 is a cutting-edge underwater drone designed for both recreational and professional use. With its sleek and compact design, this powerful drone is capable of capturing stunning 4K video and photos, while also providing a unique and immersive underwater experience. Equipped with a 0.23-inch CMOS sensor and a wide-angle lens, the Fifish V6 captures crystal-clear images and videos, even in low-light conditions. The drone's advanced stabilization system ensures smooth and stable footage, while its adjustable depth control allows for precise exploration of underwater environments. With a maximum depth of 100 meters, the Fifish V6 can explore the depths of the ocean, coral reefs, or even shipwrecks. The Fifish V6 also features a user-friendly interface, making it easy to operate and control. The drone's Wi-Fi connectivity allows for real-time video transmission to your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to share your underwater adventures with friends and family. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just starting out, the Kaisaya Fifish V6 is the perfect companion for exploring the underwater world. Number 5. Jano T1. The Jano T1 is a revolutionary underwater exploration device designed for both professional and recreational use. This compact and user-friendly device allows you to explore the ocean floor like never before, capturing stunning 4K video and high-quality photos in crystal-clear waters. With its advanced sonar technology, the T1 can detect and track marine life, revealing hidden secrets of the underwater world. The T1's robust design is built to withstand the rigors of underwater exploration, with a durable body and IP68 waterproof rating. The device is equipped with a high-resolution 3.2-inch LCD screen, allowing you to monitor your dive in real time. The T1 also features a built-in GPS and altimeter, making it easy to navigate and track your dive. Whether you're a professional marine biologist, a scuba diving enthusiast, or simply curious about the underwater world, the Jano T1 is an ideal tool for exploring the ocean floor. Its compact size and ease of use make it perfect for taking on underwater adventures of any kind. Number 4. PowerRay Wizard. The PowerRay Wizard is a cutting-edge underwater exploration device designed to take your diving experience to new depths. This innovative handheld device allows you to capture stunning 4K video and 12-megapixel photos while exploring the ocean floor. With its advanced sonar technology, the PowerRay Wizard provides real-time mapping and detection of underwater objects, making it easier to find and identify marine life. Featuring a waterproof design and a rechargeable battery, the PowerRay Wizard is perfect for both recreational and professional divers. The device's ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it easy to use, even at depths of up to 30 meters. The PowerRay Wizard also includes Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to transfer your captured footage and photos to your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just starting out, the PowerRay Wizard is an essential tool for any underwater enthusiast. With its advanced technology and ease of use, it's the perfect device for capturing unforgettable underwater moments. Number 3. Chasing innovation. Gladius Mini Experience, the thrill of adventure with the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini, a compact and powerful smart action camera designed for thrill seekers and creatives alike. This miniature marvel packs a punch, boasting a 12-megapixel camera sensor, 4K video recording, and 120 frames per second slow-motion capabilities. The Gladius Mini is equipped with a wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture breathtaking landscapes, stunning sunsets, and adrenaline-pumping stunts. The camera's sleek and durable design makes it perfect for attaching to your helmet, bike, or drone, giving you a bird's-eye view of your adventures. With its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily transfer your files to your smartphone or tablet for instant sharing. The Gladius Mini also features a touchscreen interface and compatibility with popular video editing software, making it easy to edit and enhance your footage. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a social media influencer, or simply an outdoor enthusiast, the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini is the perfect companion for capturing life's most unforgettable moments. Number 2. Deeptreer. Introducing the Deeptreer, a cutting-edge, remotely operated underwater vehicle ROV designed for exploration, inspection, and maintenance in aquatic environments. This compact, user-friendly device is perfect for a variety of applications, including marine archaeology, aquaculture, and environmental monitoring. The Deeptreer features a rugged, waterproof design and is equipped with high-resolution cameras, LED lighting, and a manipulator arm for precise sampling and collection of underwater samples. Its advanced navigation system allows for easy operation and control from the surface. Number 1. Saab C Falcon. The Saab C Falcon is a highly advanced remotely operated vehicle, ROV, designed to perform demanding underwater operations in challenging environments. With its robust and reliable design, the Falcon is capable of withstanding harsh conditions and executing complex tasks with precision and accuracy. Featuring a high-power electric thruster, the Falcon achieves a top speed of 3.5 knots and can operate at depths of up to 300 meters. Its large payload capacity allows for the deployment of a variety of tools and sensors, including manipulator arms, sonar, and cameras. The ROV's advanced control system provides real-time video feedback and precise control, enabling operators to navigate complex underwater environments with ease. The Falcon's modular design also allows for easy customization to meet specific project requirements. Ideal for use in offshore oil and gas, wind farm, and marine construction applications, the Saab C Falcon is a reliable and efficient solution for demanding underwater operations. With its exceptional performance and versatility, the Falcon is the perfect choice for operators seeking a reliable and effective ROV solution. So guys, that's all for Top 7 Best Underwater Drones. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.